Oh, we got a package. All right, let's check it out. Ogga doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Army Navy Outdoors. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. Army Navy Outdoors. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. Let's see how we can get this open. I'm just going to cut across this portion of the box here. Manifest, some paper backing. Let's see what we actually have in here. A couple large items and a couple of other items. Let's put this box to the side real quick, and I'll try to get this logo into view. Again, this is from Army Navy Outdoors. So let's go with the easiest one here. This one is military phosphorescent luminous tape. You can see it's new in the wrapping, and you can see that kind of distinctive color there. You can see there an opening instruction there, warnings, and just a category label there. But a roll of military phosphorescent luminous tape. Next up, let's take a look at these real quick. These are actually grade 2 use US issue enhanced nylon duffel bags. So these kind of expand out to larger bags. Let's see if I can get this into view here. Let's see here. Large handles. Let's see what these buckles. Yes, they are magnetic. We also have plastic buckles here. Let's see, kind of plastic areas for labels. Let's feel already some hook and latch areas, an inner pocket in that little transparent area already. Grab handles here. And this would be the top middle. You can see here actually a US logo. Here's where your duffel bag lock would go through this point here. You can undo this hook and latch, which is binding the two handles. You also have two cross straps here holding there, as well as two farther out for a total of 4 cross straps across the top to help secure the zipper area so you don't have so much stress on the zipper. Inside has that kind of plasticized area. Here's a little bit more reinforcement around the locking area, which would again go through this area like so. Looks like somebody's name was obscured out there. On the inside, no inner pockets that I see, just this rubberized material, and you can see here various other reinforcement points as well. Particularly for this part right here, you can see here where this has a kind of the triangular overstitching for the strap area here, but not on this side. So when you're actually wearing this as, say, a pack, you can see here this is where the top of the shoulders would be, and these would be your pack straps in that case. So we just happen to have 2 of these, pretty much the same as far as I can tell really quickly. Again, that similar triangular area there. Same duffel bag lock area, double zipper, etc. So 2 of the enhanced GI nylon duffel bags. And then last but not least, we have a U.S. Air Force Ace Combat Pilot Survival Vest with Snap Track. So we go ahead and get this out of the bag. This was actually a production item that was available for pilots as a survival vest option with various storage attachment options with the SnapTrack system. So this does appear new. You can see some of the example tracks. So you would actually slide corresponding attachments through the system. So you wouldn't have to thread them through, say, like the future Molly system or the previous Alice clip versions. This instead would just quickly slide and snap into place with kind of this track and tab system here. Got one zipper down the middle, plastic, pretty thick. And you can see here this has already some I guess pouches already attached. You can see here there's also looks like some extra overstitching to help hold those in place. And you can see how these have traditional kind of snap flaps as well as zippers over the pouches. So it's kind of interesting how you have a combination of different this one actually has a tie down for this. Actually all of them have these little extra snaps on the zipper pulls to secure the zippers, so you don't have any thing bursting open, because it's possible you might be bailing out wearing this vest. So let's see here. You can see here attached with this lanyard, the part number, as well as the last time this was inspected, 2022. You see here from GPO. Very nice. Let's keep going through here. You can even see here another inspection date right there. Trying to get this to thread through. Caught up for a second. We got a bunch of loose threads. I'm not sure if I'm too thrilled about that. And let's see. Again, all these have that little zipper pull with the extra snaps. You can see here the back of the SnapTrack areas have that stitching there. Kind of a pass-through pocket behind there. This one's just secured with a simple snap. This side, oh, look at this holster. Another pass-through pocket there. And if we take a look back farther up, you can see here reinforcement straps. It appears to be here. If we flip this over, you can see here's a lot of snap tracks on the back area, as well as this area here. Right there, pass through, possibly for straps for your other gear, your chute, etc. I have to pass through. And there's other snap attachment points here as well. So there's a lot going on here. But again, this is using the SnapTrack system. This is a U.S. Air Force Ace Combat Pilot Survival Vest with SnapTrack. If we continue working backwards, we had two of the U.S. issue enhanced nylon duffel bags. And we had started off with a roll of military phosphorescent luminous tape. And again, these all came from Army Navy Outdoors. Feel free to check them out. A large variety of items. Army Navy Outdoors. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious. Videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.